Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix EA SPORTS Madden NFL 26 game freezing, low FPS, crashing, not loading, stuck on launching screen, showing black screen or other issues on PC. So let's go through it. So the first method is to restart your PC. For that, click on the Windows icon over here, then click on power and then select restart. This will restart your PC, and after that try to launch the game and see if it's working or not. If not, the next solution is to modify launch options. For that, you need to go to Steam. Under library section, select your game. Now right click on it, click on properties, and under general you need to type -dx11 in the launch option, and then try to play the game and check if this works. If not, then simply type -dx12 and then try to launch the game and check if you can play the game. Next solution is to update graphics card. For that, go to the search option over here, search for device manager. Now go below expand display adapters, select your graphics card, right click on it, click on update driver and then click on search automatically for drivers. So it will search for the best drivers or update the driver, and after that try to check if the issue is resolved. Or else you can also go through the link that I provided in the description. So simply copy those links and go to your browser, copy those links, and for NVIDIA user simply copy this and paste it in your browser, and after that from here select your driver and simply search, and after that download the latest drivers. For AMD users, simply you can download the drivers from here, or you simply need to select and after that download the latest drivers on your PC. And for Intel users, simply open this link, click on graphics, and after that search for your graphics card and simply download and install the latest version, and after that try to play the game and check if this solution resolves the issue. Next is to reinstall EA anti-cheat. For that, go to Steam. Under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on manage and then click on browse local files. So this will take you to the game folder where it has been installed. Here you can find anti-cheat. Open it. Now double click on it, click on yes, and here you need to select your game. It will be listed over here. So simply select. After selecting it, click on uninstall over here. After uninstalling, you need to install the anti-cheat. For that, go to your browser and search for, paste the link that I provided in the description. It will open, and after that from here you need to simply download the EA anti-cheat installer. So simply click on it and it will download, and after it downloads simply you need to install this, and after that try to launch the game and then check if the issue is resolved or not. Next solution is to allow the game through firewall. For that, go to search bar over here, search for Windows Defender Firewall. Now click on allow an app, then click on change settings, and after that search for the game if it is listed over here. If not, you need to click on allow another app, then click on browse, and from here you need to select the game, add it to the list over here, and after adding it, select it, make sure both public and private boxes are ticked, and after that click on OK and then try to launch the game and check if this solution works for you. The next solution is to run game as administrator. For that, you need to go to Steam. Under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on manage, then browse local files. Now here select your game application, right click on it, click on properties, then click on compatibility. Now click on run this program as an administrator and then click on apply and OK. Now try to launch the game and check if it works. If it doesn't, simply select run this program in compatibility mode for, then select Windows 8 or select Windows 7 and then hit on apply and OK. And after that, try to play the game and see if this solution works for you. Next suggested solution is to close unnecessary background tasks. For that, right click over here, click on task manager. Now under process tab, look for those apps which are of no use or is consuming high resources. Simply select it, right click on it and then click on end task. After this, the background app will close and then launch the game and check if it's working now. Next solution is to disable in-game overlays. For that, go to Steam library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties, and in the general you can see enable the Steam overlay while in game option. It will be enabled by default, so simply click on it to disable it, and after that try to launch the game and check if it is working now. Next is to verify integrity of game files. For that, go to Steam, under library section select your game, right click on it, click on properties. Now click on installed files and then click on verify integrity of game files. So this will verify the game files, and after that try to play the game and see if it works. Next solution is to install Visual C++ files. For that I have provided the link in the description. Just copy it, then go to your browser and open this, and now go below, and from here you need to download the Visual C++ files for your PC, and after that try to play the game and see if this solution resolves the issue. Next is to update Windows. For that, go to the search option over here, search for check for updates option. After that, here you need to click on check for updates option. If any update is available, simply update it, and after that try to play the game and see if this resolves the issue. Next solution is to run the game as dedicated graphics card. So for that, go to the search option over here, search for graphics settings. Now select the game from here. If it's not listed, don't worry, simply click on add desktop app. From here you can add your game application here, and after that under GPU preference you need to select high performance, and after that try to launch the game and see if it works for you. If not, then the final solution is to reinstall the game. For that, go to Steam, under library section select your game, right click on it, click on manage and then click on uninstall option over here. After uninstalling the game, now restart your PC once, and after that open Steam, reinstall the game and then relaunch and check if you can play it without any problem. So these are few solutions suggested to fix the Madden NFL 26 game crashing, not launching, showing black screen, lagging or other issues on PC. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.